welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you. It all depends where you are watching me from, guy. You today now the first time we see this face today now the first time you come across this channel, please may you help me hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share on this video, guy. Today I want to bring another enlightenment come on my hearing. I want to enlighten you people about some kind thing when I observe and discover for Germany, and also for as many as of us wey be say we dey plan to come Germany. You understand, either you won't use land or you won't use sea. So and we not get papa or mama for here, we just dey come on his or her own. So this news now for you in case you want come seek asylum, because this news one I want give you now, this update one I want update you now, this enlightenment now about asylum. People will be say they entitled to asylum. Now that topic I want talk of entitlement of asylum. People will be entitled to asylum. People will be entitled to asylum seekers in Germany. So now I want bring now the enlightenment I want bring for now today. Now I want break in pieces so that una go really understand and well. Guys, stay tuned as I open my book. Okay. Let me first of all read from the beginning. See, if you have fled to Germany for political or humanitarian reasons and would like to stay here, you can apply for asylum. If your application is accepted, you will be issued a resident permit in Germany. There are three main forms of protection for refugees. As an asylum seeker, you may be recognized as being entitled to asylum, refugee status, or subsidiary protection, which is the three types of asylum in Germany. I repeat again, asylum seekers, refugee status, or subsidiary. So, in addition, the BAMF can also issue you a national ban on deportation. In this case, you will also receive a resident permit. Okay, let's go straight to the topic of today, that says entitlement to asylum. According to Article 16 of the Basic Law, asylum is granted to individuals who are politically persecuted in their home country. Asylum is granted to individuals who are politically persecuted in their home country, who they persecute because of political reasons in their own country. Maybe they are running for a position in politics. Maybe they are threatening their life, or maybe they want to run for a politics, but they're not really let them run. They threaten their life to kill them. You are entitled to German asylum. If you come Germany, they'll go answer you very well. They'll look into your case very well by the state or a state-related organization. Political persecution refers to the situation in which a person is at risk or imprisoned. If you are at risk, with political persecution, you are at risk in your home country, you are imprisoned, that they imprison you for no just cause. You understand, you can't run for your life. If you come to Germany, you are entitled to the asylum. They go answer you with open arms. They go grab you safe. They go help you. They go protect you, and you be the number one person we say that they talk about. Say now those people that they help. Those people will be say that they under bondage in people won't kill them. You understand, that they run for their life. Person don't imprison them, maybe for nothing, not do anything. They punish you, they enslave you, they maltreat you, do you any sort of something, they assault you. You are number one person with Germany. They talk say if you come, they go embrace you well. They go welcome you well. They go look after you. They go take care of you well. Okay, or because of his or her race, religion, nationality, political belief, or association with a political social group. Maybe because of your race, that person won't kill you, you not be for con, or maybe because of your religion, you be Christian, a Muslim, or you be another tribe, you won't kill you because of that one. If you come, they will give you asylum, or they will grant you asylum in Germany. Or maybe because of your political belief, they will grant you your asylum if you come. For all these reasons, you understand? Be entitled to asylum is only possible if you have not entered Germany via a safe third country. Be entitled to asylum is only possible when you never come Germany through another safe third country. You understand? Maybe you never branch like Italy, or you never branch like France, or you branch like Spain before you come Germany. They will grant you. But if you don't branch those places, so then you will come dey shake. You understand? Even if what you want talk, what you want, or you dey eligible, political reason or no political reason, they no go grant you because you don't pass another safe third country. Wetin come still carry you comot for that safe third country? Na be question wey they go ask you. Because they sabi ask question, they go ask you that question. Say wetin carry you comot for that country where you fair reach? Why you not stay there seek the asylum? Why you not stay there seek the protection? Why you can't come Germany? Okay, they go ask you. So the only way you go fit avoid that thing be say, they say since Germany is surrounded by European country, that is safe country, recognition is only possible because Germany is surrounded by different European country. You understand? So possibility of not entering any European country before you enter Germany, dey small. It dey very little, which is by plane. When you use plane direct, you can't land you gbagada for Germany. Now only that way. If you just come, you say they want kill me, oh, as you just come with plane, you say they want kill me, oh, for my country, oh, because of I not be PDP, or they say na AC they want to, because I dey run this position for my country, they want kill me, oh, or you just talk from one line, as you just come with plane, so they go answer you sharp sharp. You understand me? So recognized asylum seeker are issued resident permits which are valid for 3 years. If they recognize you as an asylum seeker, they'll give you 3 years resident permits. 3 years resident permits. If the situation in their home country do not improve, the resident permits will be extended for another 3 years. If the situation within your country not change, the resident permits they go increase and they go extend that again for you for another 3 years. Then after these 3 years, where they don't extend that for you, say and the situation still remain the same, then you can apply. You can apply at the earliest of that 3 years. You can apply for permanent resident permits, which is, let me say, earliest now before the last 3 years expire, which is 4.5 or 5.5 years in your stay in Germany, where they take give you the resident permit. So 5.5 years where they take give you that resident permit, then you can apply for permanent resident permit. After the first 3 years do expire, you can't renew. They can't give you another 3 years. Before that 3 years they give you again expire, you go come apply for permanent resident permit in Germany. Okay, that is if you are considered as an asylum seeker, if they grant you your asylum in Germany. Okay, recognized asylum seekers are entitled to a refugee travel document. If they recognize you as an asylum seeker, you are entitled to a refugee travel document, which is GFK. How they call them? GFK pass. You'll be like pass now, passport. GFK pass. Refugee travel document. Now they call them. So you can use this passport to travel abroad. Spain, France, they do shakara, they go everywhere. Holland, Italy, just the galavant everywhere. They change them. You understand? If you use and go everywhere you want to go, except some place. I'm coming. You are not permitted to go to your home country with it. except to your home country. You are not permitted to travel to your home country. However, as you may lose your resident permit. You see, so after they issue you this passport, you are permitted to go everywhere, like all over, just travel abroad, but not to your home country. If you try it, they will take back their resident permit from your hand. And guy, you know as it hard you before you get that resident permit. Abeg, make you no go make this kind of mistake. If you dey plan, or you dey plan to, you dey plan to travel before to your home country, abeg, make you no go again, because they say if you go, they will take back what they have given you. And this is what we do not want, because the process is too hard to get. Okay, we no want this one for body. Abeg. So guys, make as a person entitled to asylum, you also have the following rights. As person will be say they entitled to asylum for Germany, you get this following rights when I won't read for now. So you can bring your spouse and minor children to Germany as an unmarried minor. You can bring your spouse, you can bring your spouse, you can bring your children to Germany. Then as unmarried minor, you can bring your parents. If you never marry, so you be small pikin, we come Germany, you come, as in you come, maybe you tell them say you dey like 17 years, now you take 16, 17 years or 18 years, you never marry. Then if they give you this, grant you your asylum, then you are entitled to, you fit bring your parents come say, I want my papa and mama come dey follow me dey stay, because as e be say and na only me one dey here and I not to know anything, make dem come follow me dey stay. So they go allow you bring them come. Okay. And also, you are allowed to work. If you do not have a job, you will receive unemployment benefits. You are allowed to work, and also if you do not have any job, you will also be receiving unemployment benefits or social assistance. Okay. Or the job center can also help you to look for job if you so want to work. You are entitled to child and parental allowance. You are also entitled to child and parental allowance in case you don't get children, or in case you are planning to have children. Then you are entitled to parental and child allowance. And also you are allowed to attend an integration course. Yeah, a German course. True now, you no fit come Germany, you no go sprechen Deutsch now. Du musst sprichst Deutsch, sehr Deutsch, go to Deutsch, okay? If you are coming to Germany, prepare to learn Dutch. Very good. Prepare yourself to learn German language. You must learn it. It's a must. You must go to school, go to German course. You must go to school, you must learn German language so that you can talk freely in public with Germans, okay, in any situation you find yourself, you understand. You can study or take part in vocational training program. You fit come after they don't give you this your permit, so you fit decide say I want learn work. Now they call vocational training program. I want learn work. For Dutch we dey call am Ausbildung. Now they call am Ausbildung. Now we dey call am for here. So if you come say you want learn like a mechanic, I want learn welder, I want do nurse. Even if you no dey do nurse before, if you come say I want do nurse, they go train you, go be professional nurse. You understand? I want do midwife, you go train, you go be professional midwife. So any work of your choice where you say you won't do, you go just talk and they will just put you through, train you for the duration of the years, and you'll be perfect. Then they go employ you for work as soon as possible. Note, very important thing I want to deliver to you. You will not be recognized as being entitled to asylum if there is another region in your homeland you can reach legally and live in safety. Note, you cannot be recognized as an asylum seeker in Germany if e be say get place for your country, like any state for your country wey be say you fit go live safely, wey be say person no go, nobody go trouble you, you understand, where you go, where dey safe for you fit live. If they find out like that, or if they observe, or if they check see say yeah, place dey wey be say you fit stay for your state, wey be say you people no go harm you, then they no go grant you your asylum. Okay, people who have committed war crime or severe non-political offence, people wey don commit war or crime and for outside Germany no go fit also, they no go fit also grant the person asylum in Germany. They no fit grant her asylum for Germany. If you don fit commit war, don fit fight war, abi committed war crime, don fit commit any political offence, then you cannot seek asylum in Germany. And also those people wey be say they don sen ten ced to prison, they no fit also seek asylum. They no fit even grant them asylum for Germany. That's if they find out, they cannot grant you asylum in Germany. So guys, my own take is that, to me, people do change, you understand. Even if you don't fit go prison before, maybe because of one thing wey you don do before, na it lead you to where you take go to prison before, person dey change. And if you be say now you are now a changed person, do not be discouraged. Okay, try and come. As so far you are a changed person, try come. If you come, God fit perform a miracle. If God really looked at, yeah, this my son, this my daughter is a changed person, if you come, they fit grant you asylum. Not the way God no dey fit dey do. Na only God dey do the impossible go become possible. So guys, don't be discouraged. Okay, try and come. Don't pass through any safe land before you get to Germany. As they have said, try and come with flights so that your asylum will be granted, your case will be looked into as soon as possible. Okay guys, and also if you are coming to Germany, try and prepare your case. Okay, prepare what you want to say. Not come they ask you, say why are you here? They skip format. I don't know. Germany no dey find that one. Why are you here? You'll be able to explain for them the reason why you came to Germany. Okay, prepare your story. Prepare your story, because Germany, they like story. They like story. Germans, they like story. They will ask you a lot of questions on that day. They will ask you different type of questions, so you'll be able to answer them. They like as they're asking, you will be answering them immediately. You will not have to say let me go come. You'll just be answering them bomber to bomber. Okay, prepare your case, prepare your story before you embark on this journey. Good luck to you. Good luck to those, as many as those that want to come to Germany. I say good luck to you all. Stay blessed. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Ciao. Please, if you find this update informative, if you find it enlightening, please thumbs up for the host, and also hit the subscribe button, that red line, press it, turn on the notification bell, so that anytime when I bring such news, such updates, such enlightenment, you will always be the #1 person to hear them. All right, bye bye. Choose. See you in my next video. Ciao.